presenting the Dodge 2019 Journey Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: monotone paint application, touring suspension, black top package included, touring suspension wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black gloss black rear fascia applique black headlamp bezels gloss black grille gloss black exterior mirrors, engine, 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, pitch black clear coat, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage,